They told you a beautiful fairy tale since you were a child. A perfect lie designed to keep you dreaming while you are actually asleep at the wheel.
Fantasies. The deal was simple. Work hard for 40 long years, be a loyal, obedient employee, save every penny you can.
And the reward? When you finally turn 65, you are promised a golden ticket to retire in paradise, free from alarms and bosses forever.
So you waited patiently. You worked overtime. You followed all the rules of the system, watching the best years of your life fly by on a calendar.
But then, one day, the alarm rings, and you wake up to realize that the dream was just a hallucination.
Welcome to the cold, harsh reality. The golden years you were promised are actually gray, tired, and painful.
Look around you right now. Do you see wealthy 65-year-olds sailing on yachts? Or do you see exhausted elderly?
You're seeing people who work their whole lives, only to find out their pension isn't even enough to pay for electricity and food.
Retirement is not a guaranteed promise. It is the single biggest scam ever sold to the working class to keep them compliant.
You traded your youth and energy for a paycheck, and now that you are old, the system has nothing left for you.
Let's do the actual math that your financial advisor is terrified to show you because it proves their system is broken.
They tell you to aim for $1 million. It sounds like a fortune, doesn't it? Like you'll be rich forever. But they conveniently forget to mention the silent killer of wealth, the invisible monster known as inflation.
In 20 years, that $1 million will only buy you what $300,000 buys today. Your purchasing power is being eaten alive.
You aren't saving for a luxury lifestyle on a beach. You are saving just to afford cat food in a small apartment.
Before I show you who is really stealing your money, hit that subscribe button. It helps us expose the truth to more people.
Now, let's meet your so-called partner, the bank. While you work, they sit in skyscrapers and count your fees.
Here is the scam. While you take 100% of the risk in the market, they take guaranteed fees regardless of what happens.
Management fees, transaction fees, admin fees. They get paid huge bonuses, whether you lose your life savings or not.
Then the government steps in and takes a huge slice for taxes. And you are left with the crumbs on the plate.
The stock market isn't an investment for you. It's a casino where the house always wins, and you are the gambler.
Enough is enough. It is time to wake up from the matrix and take back control of your financial destiny.
Stop playing their rigged game. Stop trying to save a pile of dying cash that loses value every single day.
The rich don't rely on savings accounts or 401ks. They don't park their money. They put it to work.
They build systems. They build assets. They focus on the only thing that matters in this economy.
Cash flow. A continuous stream of income that comes into your pocket every month, whether you clock in or not.
You don't need $1 million in the bank. You need a machine that prints money for you automatically.
Real estate, online business, digital products. These are assets that pay you while you sleep, eat, and travel.
$5,000 a month in passive income is worth infinitely more than $1 million trapped in a retirement account.
Don't wait until you are 65 to realize you've been scammed. I wrote the step-by-step guide to help you escape the trap.
The link is in the description below. Get the guide, and if this video woke you up, like and subscribe right now.